While addressing a seminar on capital market, the Chief General Manager of SEBI, P.K. Bindlesh, said that the SEBI Amendment Act allows the market regulatory body the power of recovery. He said that earlier SEBI had to force penalty on defaulter companies and force a regulatory order on them, which was a very tedious procedure. However, the amendment will make things easier for them.
The SEBI amendment has given us another power, that is recovery. That we can now do the recovery also, and because we are facing this problem that we impose the penalty or pass and regulatory order, the implementation mechanism enforcing that order was very tedious issue. So in that scenario, we have now got the power for recovery, that we can attach the assets of the delinquent entity or the bank account. Other thing we can, all assets of that entity, we can attach and we can get the recovery done.
Bindlesh said that SEBI uses its powers to ensure that the companies follow a regulatory path while raising capital and takes action against those who do not follow the set guidelines.
We have used our powers in this manner to take action against the entities which have raised the capital in the market or raise the funds in the market without following the regulatory path. These one or two examples are very prominent. Recently, we have passed an order in which the entity has been advised to stop the activity and refund about 50,000 crore rupees to the investors. So this has not been a small act. This is very big act, because we are finding a lot of companies are raising this money. Even in the Calcutta, one company very predominantly right now is facing that issue, that how they raise the money and how that they have not repaid the investors and not followed any regulatory guidelines.
Talking about the multi-crore Saradha chit fund scam, Bindlesh said that SEBI had also passed an order in relation to the scam.
SEBI already passed the order in the matter of Saradha.
Powered by NNIS.